actually getting ready to install my new KayaArm. This will help me get in and out of the kayak without doing it the old-fashioned way, climbing in and off the dock at an awkward position. But this is the KayaArm. It's got a chain that pulls this up out of the water, and you can buy a second KayaArm and use it as a storage rack, but I'm not going to do that since I take my kayak in usually after a couple of days anyway. I have my KayaArm installed. And do this. Lower it down. Bring your kayak across the top of it, and you use the KayaArm to get in and out of the kayak. Since they're calling for a storm, I'm going to raise it up high. Leave it up. KayaArm. Pretty neat. I think I'm going to like it. This is a view of my KayaArm. Just barely below the surface. I'll pause it. Okay, I'm pulled up. I pulled up almost even. I really don't need the little assist adder or whatever they call it, assist rope, because you can pull yourself up practically with the KayaArm. I mean, it's well bolted. It's not going to go anywhere. And basically all I do is lift up and I can sit my butt right on the dock. Of course, I'm afraid to holding this phone. That's when you drop 3 in the lake. So we'll see how I do here. I don't know if this will get me or not. The back end swings. When you pull over the center like that, the back end swings. It swings toward the dock instead of away from the dock. So I like that fact better. But it makes life a lot easier. I can jump in and out of the kayak real easy now. Kayak, well worth the price. I mean, it's a bargain.